acquainted, that stack of papers in your home that you've been meaning to get to, it's some of the most overwhelming kind of clutter.
So our next guest will help you turn your piles into files. KSL lifestyle contributor Jenny Layton is joining us right now. All right, what makes us, when we see that pile and it's just like, oh, there it is, it's just staring at us. Why is it so overwhelming?
You compare that little pile of paper to all the other clutter and wonder, why is it so overwhelming? And it's not about the amount of space that it takes up. It's about all the little actions that are buried inside that paper. Places you're supposed to be, bills you're supposed to pay, medical things you need to look at. So it stresses us out. It haunts us because we need to do things with it. So I think today we want to talk about how do we get rid of those piles of clutter, and how do we get a system that helps us feel more in control of those actions that we need to be taking.
You say no matter the content of the paper pile or no matter the structure of the home, we need to start with the landing zone.
Right. So just like with email, you're not looking all over your computer when you want to go through your email. You want to create one inbox for your paper so that when it's time to go through it, it's easy to find. So it clears the counter of all the piles, and then it makes it a lot easier to go through it when it's time to go through it.
Got it.
So
all right.
The key to finding the right landing zone is wherever you drop your mail. Think about where you walk in and where you want to put it. You get a drawer underneath that spot on the counter or get a basket. That's your place for your inbox or your landing zone.
All right, explain this 10-minute paper power hour.
Right, we know a power hour is where we invest in ourselves every day. So take a couple of times a week, maybe a 2-minute time every day, and make that your paper power hour. So you're going to go through that inbox and take action on that paper. And you know, it might not be the thing you look forward to the most, but I'm telling you, when you're done with it, that is such a great feeling to be on top of those actions that you'll want to do it again.
You've just emotionally lost 10 pounds in those 10 minutes, right? And something about a designated period of time does make it feel meaningful and purposeful and intentional, I guess is the word that I'm looking for.
I like to say schedule an appointment with yourself. So
I like that.
Cancel other appointments, keep that one.
Quick 10 seconds here, Jenny. Do you like file systems?
Yes, but keep them very basic, very simple. Complicated file systems don't get used, so just make really broad, basic categories so you'll actually use them. A lot easier to find paper in a simple file than anywhere in the house it might be stashed.
And you have a full course dedicated to this topic.
I do. If you go to the Happy Gal. If you go to thehappygal.com/organize your paper, I've got some really great trainings that can just help you implement this and take it to the next level.
We got this. All right.
Really
Thanks so
fun.
much, Jenny.
You're
10
welcome.
minutes.